Hi, I'm here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm excited to tell you about something. If your scrap bins are overflowing, if you like the content you find on my channel and want to go deeper and learn more, I have just what you need. I have a treat for you. I can't wait to share it. Enrollment for my Discovering Hidden Quilts, Turning Your Scraps into Beautiful Quilts class is opening early in October. We are going to learn how to use value and color to create quilts that pop and have interest. We're going to discover tricks for the perfect scrappy fabric pull. So if you're worried and you don't know how to put those scraps together, I have tricks for you. So don't worry, we'll take care of that problem. We will explore different ways to make basic scrap units like flying geese and half square triangles, four patches. We'll discover different ways to make that so you can find the one that is your favorite method and the one you're most accurate with, so that you can have success while creating your scrappy quilts. We're going to take those units and you will receive dozens of scrap-friendly block patterns that you can mix and match and put together to make hundreds and hundreds of different quilts. And we will take those blocks and we're going to throw them up on the design wall, and we're going to twist and turn them and combine them in different ways so that you can find different ways to put those blocks together. Like this one that I showed just a few weeks ago, and I showed one way with this block right here of how to put it together. But in Discovering Hidden Quilts, I will show you 3 other ways that this block can go together to create lots of different quilts, just by playing with how you arrange this and the value of where you put different colors. So look forward to that. It's going to be great. We'll do that with Drunkard's Path, like this one here. We will play with different designs with that block, with log cabins, other rail fence blocks with majestic mountain blocks. We will go in and discover all different ways you can combine those different blocks to create lots of different. We will discover ways to use up your strings. Do you end up with lots of strings? I have tons of strings and strips, and I will show you lots of ways to do that. If you have watched my spider web tutorial and were wondering when I was going to show you how to do a controlled spider web, it's in Discovering Quilts. I'll show you how to do that and how to plan it out, and there are worksheets you can print out so that you can color and put in the design of your quilts, not just for the spider web, but for lots of different quilts in there, so you can plan before you even start cutting and sewing, so you get a general idea of how your quilt is going to look. We're going to play with scale. Maybe you've made some of the wonky stars from my tutorial. We're going to play with making them big and small, not just wonky stars, but all of the blocks. Well, all of them. We will show not just how to make the stars different sizes, but I will show you how to scale half square triangles, flying geese, four patches and things, so that you can make blocks bigger or smaller, or however you need to use them in your quilts. In addition to scaling, we're going to find out what to do when your bee blocks come back and they're not all the same size. Ah! Headache! No, it's not. I have a solution. I will show you several ways you can fix that problem. Or do you have a ton of orphan blocks and you don't know what to do with them? Last week I showed you how you can turn one into a pincushion. You can even make it scented like I showed last week. Or you can make what I call a Plan B quilt. And I will show you tricks for combining all those blocks of different sizes so that you get a beautiful, beautiful quilt that you can be proud of, and those orphans all find a home. So grab your pretty scrap bins. There are pretty treasures in there and you don't want them to go to waste. Follow the link in the description below and save your spot in Discovering Hidden Quilts. So get ready to make some beautiful quilts. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.